In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view check register in QuickBooks Online. A check register is your running ledger for a bank account in QuickBooks Online. It shows every deposit, payment, and adjustment in one place, along with the running balance. It's the perfect spot to review activity, verify entries, and keep an eye on reconciled versus unreconciled transactions. Let's walk through how to get there and what you'll see once it's open. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, start by opening Settings. You'll find it as the small gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon opens a panel with key tools and lists that help you manage your company file. Next, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of every account that holds your financial activity: bank accounts, credit cards, income, expenses, and more. This is where you'll choose the specific bank account whose register you want to view. Once the chart of accounts loads, locate the account you need. This will usually be a bank type account, like checking or savings. If you have several, look for the account name you typically use for day-to-day transactions. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to quickly narrow it down. Make sure you're picking the correct one, especially if you manage multiple checking accounts or a mix of bank and credit card accounts. On the same row as your chosen account, click View Register. In some versions, you might see a similar label, like Account History, but the idea is the same. You're opening the detailed activity for that specific account. You'll now see the check register. Each line represents a transaction with columns for the date, type, payee, memo, category, payment or deposit amount, and the running balance. You'll also notice a status column indicating whether something is cleared or reconciled, which is useful when you're matching QuickBooks to your bank statement. If you want to focus on a subset of activity, use the filters at the top to narrow by date range or transaction type. You can click a column header to sort, which helps when you're scanning for a particular amount or recent entries. To review an entry in detail, click the transaction line to expand it. You can view the payee, category, memo, and any attachments. This is a quick way to confirm how something was recorded without navigating away from the register. That's it. Open Settings, go to Chart of Accounts, find your account, click View Register, and review your transactions confidently in one clean view.